Binary tree maximum path sum is the one of the easiest hard question I have seen. So given the path of the non-empty binary tree, return the maximum path of a non-empty path. So the question is pretty easy. We have to make sure we find the right path, and the path does not necessarily need to be included in the root, which means that we have to think about two different values at a node. The first thing we need to look at is the global maximum. So for global maximum, we make sure the path at one particular node that we consider the top of all the nodes, it's considered the top, and we make sure that we get the sum of the left and the right and the top value, and that's the global sum, and we match it with the global, we check it with the global. So that's the maximum sum, and the other is the value that we return to the parent. Since we can only return one value, in this case we'll only return 15 plus 0. So it's only going to, we are only going to return sum, we are only returning one value. So over here it's going to be 20, 20 plus 15 plus 5, that's going to be 40. And then over here it's going to only return 35, which is the maximum value. So it's 15 is minus 15 only getting 35, not 40. Now let's look at the code. Code is pretty simple as well. We initialize the result value that we're going to return with the root value. We initialize the DFS function. We import the result value global variable. We make sure if node does not exist, we return 0. And this is the most important part. We make sure if the value we are going to get is negative, we just return 0 instead. So we are ignoring negative values because it's only going to make the sum of a path more worse. Then we do the same for right. Then we make sure we are updating a global variable, and we return the only one of the best nodes, the left or the right. Thank you.